everybody, this is a quick video in case you have SoundCore Life Note 3i noise canceling earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds, and you need to do a hard reset on them to factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. Number one might be if you're having connection issues, like they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or they keep disconnecting. You also might want to do this just if you want to set them up on a new device and you just want to clear out the pairing history and delete all the previously paired devices and start fresh. It's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is go ahead and put your earbuds in the case as though they were charging, and then leave the case open. Once you do that, you're going to come underneath and there's a button on the bottom of the case. You're going to press and hold that button for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, you'll see this light will flash 3 times red, at which point you know that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and take your earbuds out and pair them to a new device as though they were a brand new set of headphones.